this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the conduit crystals here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what we're going to do is actually start over at the Angel Comb right here. This is going to be located right below the giant alien power plant right over there, which is about 1,800 meters east of your trusty life pod. I don't even think it's gonna pop up right now. I'm a little deep. Yeah, actually, it's about 1,800 meters east of the life pod. If you want to just copy my coordinates, they're right here as well. But go ahead and start at the Angel Comb. And you actually want to head slightly west once you do reach the Angel Comb itself. We're going to go up a little bit as well. And you're looking for this kind of huge tower-like structure west of the Angel Comb. It's kind of interesting looking. If you follow the path that I'm showing right now, you will reach it. You can also follow these little routes right here as well in order to make your way to that location. And you are heading towards the life pod. Now, once you kind of reach an area that looks something like this, what you're looking for is this weird looking thing right here. I don't really know what to call this. It's just an interesting looking structure. It kind of glows a little bit though, and you can kind of see it right here. If you just swim around this thing right here, you're going to see these little crystals located right next to it. For example, we got this right here. And of course, there's going to be some other ones kind of located around it as well. Now, there is another tower. If you follow the Angel Comb path northeast instead, you just got to look for this structure, and every single time it lights up a little bit, and it'll turn on and off with these little lights. That's when one is going to spawn in around this area, but that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.